Hello, organic worm castings by SOTO here. It's such a beautiful day today. I thought we'd take a look at our worms from the outside. So I'm going to go ahead and take the worms and I'm going to put them in this container right here and see what we have. Set up this tripod. Pretty good. This is started March 4th. Stay mixed 3 weeks. That's what the bottom looks like. And this is what they've produced for me. So right now, I'm going to keep it in this bin. I'm not going to feed them anymore. Let this go another week, and then I'll start harvesting. When everything is done, whatever shredded brown bags hasn't decomposed completely, it looks like this. I just added to the new bin. So as you can see, they look pretty happy. And I don't know if it's all this attention that I've been giving them, that they're like a week ahead of schedule. As you can see, no solid foods, just the blended waste on the shredded paper bags. Okay, I just wanted to also share with you what my next video is going to be. I'm going to take some of this worm casting and make some humic acid, not from this harvest, but rather from this harvest. And as you can see, I don't use a mesh or anything. I just let it happen naturally. This is the end result. But I'll make humic acid out of this compost. That's using a pump. Two air stones. Plastic tubing to attach all that together. This is the netting I use where I put the casting in. And this is actually the 2.5 container that I'll be making the compost tea in. Good sign of compost tea is all that bubbly foam on the top, but you know that all the microbes are alive. Anyway, I hope you all have a great day, and thanks for watching. See you soon.